Here, cell body shows the simple structure which includes the cytoplasm, dendrites and the nucleus. But axons shows the complex structures, and axons also contains the specialized neuroglial cells, and neuroglial cells are the supporting cells which are located over the axons structure. So these cells, these neuroglial cells which are located over the axon, this is known as the Schwann cells. And these Schwann cells secretes a fatty layer. Fatty layer means Schwann cell secretes the layer in the form of the lipids. So this fatty layer is known as the myelin sheath. This fatty layer, which is secreted by the Schwann cells, is made along the axons a sheath-like structure, and this sheath-like structure is known as the myelin sheath. But between the areas of axons, Schwann cells, the structure which is non-myelinated is known as the nodes of Rayner-Weill. Means in the Schwann cells, the area of Schwann cells which is secreted by the myelin sheath, fatty layers, this area is known as the myelin sheath, and the area where the fatty layer is not produced is known as the nodes of Rayner-Weill. So that these arrows shows the pathway of the nerve impulses. These dendrites gives the nerve impulses towards the cell body, but this is the axon, and this axon moves the nerve impulses away from the cell body. So that this is the pathway which is showing that nerves is passing through this myelin sheath. But sometimes this myelin sheath acts as the insulator. When this myelin sheath acts as the insulator, then no nerve impulses passes through this sheath, and then nerve impulses passes in the form of the jumping from the nodes of the Rayner-Weill. This is the pathway, jumping pathway, so that this impulses is also known as the saltatory impulses. When the impulses moves in the form of the jumping, then these impulses is known as the saltatory impulses. Myelin sheath, the fatty layer, act as the insulator, so the nerve impulses are not passes through this myelin sheath, and the nerves passes into the jumping form, so that these nerves is known as the saltatory impulses. You know that mature neurons and nerve cells never divided. When the nerve cells or neurons is mature, then they cannot be divided. But in an animal body or in a human body, a protein is also present. This protein is termed as the nerve growth factor. Nerve growth factor. So the function of the nerve growth factor is to regenerate the broken nerve cells. Nerve growth factor is a protein which regenerates the broken nerve cells, so that the different types of cells which can be broken down during the different processes can be regenerated through this protein. So types of neurons. Neurons can be further divided into the three types: sensory neurons, interneurons, and then the motor neurons. Sensory neuron, the function of the sensory neurons, these neurons carry information from receptors to the central nervous system. Means these neurons carry information from the receptors and moves this information towards the central nervous system. Then interneurons. Interneurons from brain to the spinal cord. Means these neurons carry message from the brain and moves towards the spinal cord, and also stimulate the motor neurons. Then motor neurons. These motor neurons carry message from interneurons towards the muscles or glands, which is also act as the effectors. And receptors and effectors are the part of the coordinated action. So sensory neurons carry information from receptors to the central nervous system, and interneurons carry information through brain towards the spinal cord, and motor neurons carry information from the interneurons and towards the muscles or glands, which is also known as the effectors.